Having box braids is great and all, but sometimes it can get really boring to wear your braids the same way every single day. So today I have 5 very quick and easy styles I want to share with you all. These styles will take you probably less than a minute each. They're very simple. I will show you how to do them step by step. And the very last style is actually my personal favorite. So if you want to see that, make sure you keep on watching till the very end. Okay, so usually this is my go-to style because I don't really like having my braids touching my ears. It just bothers me, so I just have to get it out of my face somehow. And if I don't want to put it all the way up, I just choose about 4 braids that usually touch my ears. I just pull them back and I just try to twist them a little bit just to make it look a little bit cuter than just a straight pull back look. And then I take about 3 to 4 braids from this side as well. I am going to take this scrunchie right here and just going to tie So now I'm just going to loosen it up. And now my hair is out of the way. It's not falling all over my face. And it still looks kind of cute. And literally took like 30 seconds. Maybe not even. So yeah. This next one is a lot similar from the one I just showed you. Now I'm going to do a half up, half down into a messy bun. I'll explain that in a little bit. I'm going to grab about 7 or so braids from each side and I twist it a little bit like I did with the other one. So I just grab 2 sections of it and then I twist. And then I'm going to take the ponytail and I'm going to put it into a little bit of a messy bun. So first I'm just going to twist the ponytail all the way through. Then I'm going to bring my hair, this time only halfway through, and then take the remaining hair and just kind of tuck them in. Hope you guys can see that. Now, if you do want it to look a little bit cuter and spice it up a little bit, you can just add the scrunchie. And I usually just place it around once. Okay, so for this next one, you are going to need a ponytail, and I'm going to use a bandana, but if you have one of those scrunchies with the dangly ends to them, that one actually will probably work better, but I don't have one of those and I really don't want to spend money on getting one, so I am just going to improvise. You are going to gather some of your braids that are there in the front of your head and put them into one ponytail. Okay, so now you are going to take your bandana and fold it. So it should look like this. Then you're going to take the bandana underneath your ponytail and bring it to the front and make sure it is even. Then you're going to wrap the bandana back and you're going to make a knot underneath your ponytail. And then just adjust your ponytail a little bit more until it feels comfortable. Okay, so for this next style, I am going to put my hair into a side braid. So all you'll need is a ponytail, or if you have a rubber band, that's even better. You just need it to secure the braid at the very end. And I'm going to start the braid right about here. And if you'd like for me to do a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this braid, just leave a comment down below and let me know, and I would love to do a tutorial for you all. Okay, so now I just like to go through and loosen the braid. Okay, for this next one, you are going to need a big ponytail like this. I got this from Walmart, and I will make sure to link it in the description down below. You are just going to take the braid that you made from the earlier tutorial, and you're just going to twist it around into a side bun. Then I'm going to take the ponytail and place it there, and then I'm going to twist it around once more just to make sure it is secure. And you can use a bobby pin and secure it more if you need to, but yeah, just gives you another look. I really like this. It's kind of elegant. It looks like you tried, but really it didn't take that long at all. Okay, so if you guys like that tutorial with the bun, I have actually done a couple other videos already over how to do messy buns and how to do a low bun. They are very easy to follow, so if you want to watch those videos after this one, don't forget to check it out, and I will make sure to link it in the description down below. Okay, for this last one, I am going to do a braided high bun. So the first step is just to put your hair up into a high ponytail, and I'm going to use this headband to put my hair up. And then just tie that headband and just make sure it is secure. Now just loosen any braids that might feel too tight. And I don't know, this is kind of cute, so you can actually leave it like this if you want, but I am going to put it into a braided bun. I'm going to braid it to my left. Okay, now I'm just going to wrap. Actually, before I wrap it, sorry, I'm going to loosen the braid. All you're going to have to do now is just twist the bun. Make sure the bun is covering the headband. And tuck the remaining end. And you have a cute little braided bun. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video helpful. I would love to know which one of those styles were your favorites, so make sure you leave a comment down below and let us know. And if you have a go-to style that you like to do when you get bored with your box braids, leave a comment down below and let us know as well. I want to see what you all do, and I just love learning from you all as well. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else that may also find it useful. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you want to see more videos from me in general, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you are notified every time I post. Until next time, bye.